Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to send a spoiler photo on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect for sharing surprises, memes, or any image you want to keep hidden until your friends are ready to see it. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and your app is updated to the latest version to access all the newest features. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send your spoiler photo. This can be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. When you're inside the chat, look for the plus icon, usually found near the message input bar. Click on it to open the attachment options. From the menu, select Photos or Videos. This will bring up your File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders. Find the photo you want to send, select it, and then click Open. You'll now see a preview of your chosen image in the chat window, but don't send it just yet. Here's where the spoiler magic happens. Look for the three dots icon, typically located in the corner of the image preview. Click on these three dots to open a small menu. In this menu, choose the option labeled Hide with Spoiler. The image will instantly appear blurred with a shimmering layer, signaling that it's now hidden as a spoiler. Finally, click the Send button. Your photo will be delivered to the chat, but it will remain concealed until someone clicks on it to reveal the surprise. This is a fun and considerate way to share content without giving away the punchline or ruining a surprise for others. And that's it. You've just sent a spoiler photo on Telegram using your PC. This feature is a great way to keep your chats engaging and suspenseful. Try it out the next time you want to share something special without spoiling the fun right away.